Hi guys, it's Monica and we are back for day 5 in Christmas in July. Our prompt today to decorate this vintage playing card is Snowman. And I have this cute little snowman from the free ephemera sheet for those of you that had signed up early for this event. If you did not sign up for this event, you can certainly still play along, but you'll have to either find your own snowman or you can purchase the ephemera sheet over in the shop. So I had these leftover stickers in my Christmas stash, so I decided to go ahead and use these as backgrounds. Remember, the idea of decorating these vintage cards is to pull out our Christmas stash and to start getting inspiration for our Christmas projects. So I went ahead and just randomly added some of these stickers to the card, and as you can see, I am placing them, some of them off the edge because I'm going to be trimming some of these stickers along the way. Now these houses I cut out from one of Tim Holtz's ephemera. I think it was his wallpaper, Christmas wallpaper, I think is what the set came from. And I had some of the leftover paper, so I saw these two little houses and I thought they would be great for the background. And then this Christmas tree was part of his ephemera pack, his holiday ephemera pack. So as you can see, these make great little backgrounds for the prompt today. So now that I kind of had an idea of what I wanted to use for my images, I went ahead and I glued down that tree, again using my 3-in-1 beacon because it gives me movement. And I'm going to go ahead and now add my houses. Now, when you are making layers, don't be afraid to cover some of your images. That's the entire idea, is to create a scene. And that's what we're doing here. We're creating a cute little Christmas scene with our snowman prompt. So now that I have my focal point together, I'm going to go ahead and glue down my little snowman. And then we will come in with something extra special. So now that I have my scene in place, I do have some extra spots where I can add another one of those snowflakes. So I'm just looking through my sticker sheet here, and I'm going to pull one of these smaller snowflakes off and put it towards the top of the card. I think that works perfectly. And then since typically when I'm gluing down my images, I'm gluing just the middle in case I want to add something or tuck something underneath, I'm coming back with my glue and just adding the extra glue along the edges to ensure my ephemera pieces are glued down nicely. All right, so here we see these remnant rubs again. And like I said, I'm going to be using these throughout my series. And the sentiment that I'm using is Winter Wishes, which is perfect for this little scene. So this is the actual tool. I actually found it for this video. So I have the tool that is made for these remnant rubs, and I am just carefully rubbing down the letters to ensure I get all of those. And then I'm going to go ahead and continue to add another sticker. I guess I decided that I had one more extra space that was just too white, so I decided to add another sticker. And I had already glued down my little snowman hand, so I had to lift him up just a bit, but it was really not a problem at all. All right, so I will go ahead and use my precision craft glue to glue down that little stick arm. And that's going to finish my day 5 card. This is a really cute one, and I really enjoyed creating this one today, and I hope you enjoyed the process as well. So we will see you tomorrow for day 6 and another prompt for our Christmas in July. See you tomorrow.